Hello everyone, welcome back to Yclas Guides. In this video, we're going to talk about Yclas support system and how it works. With Yclas, we provide a very own client dashboard to manage your website details, purchase products, add-ons, and manage your profile too. Most importantly, you will be able to open a support ticket with every issue or question you encounter, as well as responding to them. To open a ticket, please log in to the link provided on the screen. Once there, go to Support and hit New Ticket. Scroll down and fill in the topic field that serves as the subject of the email. Then click New Ticket. Select the associated domain and write the full description. Take note, in the description, make sure you include the exact URL where the issue persists. Also, include all the steps to replicate the issue. Lastly, please provide a complete screenshot of the error you encountered. Now hit the button I understand and click Create. Under Support tab, you can see all the tickets that is currently on hold, open or closed. You can also respond to the ticket on the same page. Now, what are the topics the support team covers? We cover everything, for as long as they are software-related bug, error, or issue. That would be all. Please feel free to open a ticket to us. See you!